Buying a new home can be exciting but overwhelming, especially when you're dealing with the expectations around Vastu Shastra. Today, let's explore how Vastu Shastra can guide you into making a balanced, practical decision for your dream home. Vastu Shastra is an ancient Indian science of architecture designed to harmonize homes with nature by aligning spaces with elements like air, sunlight, and energy. Originally, these principles were meant for temples and palaces, but over time, they have been adapted into modern homes. It focuses on five elements: fire, air, water, earth, and sky, and their interaction with directions like the north, south, east, and west. For many, a Vastu compliant home represents health, well being, and prosperity. But here's the key: Vastu is about creating functional spaces which are well lit and ventilated. Here are some practical Vastu tips. First one, ensure the home gets ample natural light and ventilation. Second, the kitchen is ideal in the southeast where the fire element aligns. Third, bedrooms in the south or west can bring calmness and stability. And fourth, the northeast is perfect for a puja or meditation room. Many homebuyers reject otherwise great homes because they're not 100% Vastu compliant. But remember, apartments can't always be 100% Vastu compliant because of shared spaces and design limitations. Let's quickly recap. Vastu emphasizes the importance of aligning your home with natural elements and energy flow. It can be a helpful guide to make thoughtful decisions while balancing practicality and personal needs. A home that is well lit, functional, and feels right for you can offer comfort and harmony. Ultimately, your dream home should feel right for you. That's the goal of Vastu: happiness, positivity, and balance.